Press down firmly on the pulp to extract all the liquid, yielding your fresh beet juice. You can strain it a second time for an even smoother result. Once your beet juice is ready, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. For the best taste and nutritional value, try to consume your homemade beet juice within 2 to 3 days. Adding a small squeeze of lemon juice can help extend its freshness slightly. Feel free to experiment by blending in other fruits or vegetables, like apples or carrots, for delicious flavor combinations.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.